you tired of wobbly point-to-point measuring ruining your framing projects? Meet the SPEEDFRAME, a completely genius extendable level that will revolutionize how you work. Its patented twin-rail system glides smoothly to fit your exact spacing, eliminating the dreaded tilt. You get rock-solid, high-precision readings every single time, thanks to the integrated scale window and dual vials. Built from rugged, anodized aluminum, this beast is designed to survive the absolute toughest job site drops. Grab this tool to lay down lightning-fast, perfectly consistent marks without breaking a sweat. Slippery workshop floors and wet bathroom tiles are a disaster waiting to happen, but not anymore. Tile Tread delivers an invisible, genius anti-slip treatment that instantly makes your surfaces safe to walk on. This cutting-edge nanotechnology massively boosts your grip on everything from smooth marble to slick porcelain. You don't need to be a pro to apply it. The built-in roller flawlessly distributes the formula for you. Simply roll it on, let it dry, and enjoy professional-grade traction without any messy cleanup or special tools. One quick application grants you up to 12 full months of unbeatable slip protection and peace of mind. Meet the Kangaroo Jack WS24 LPJ, a heavy-duty powerhouse designed to make lifting commercial vehicles effortlessly easy. This air-operated jack features a robust 24,000-pound capacity, perfectly suited for the most demanding garage environments. Its low-profile design allows it to easily slide under low-clearance axles, giving you unparalleled access. Safety is paramount with its dual lock-holding pin system, ensuring absolute stability during your toughest tasks. The large pneumatic wheels guarantee smooth maneuverability across uneven workshop floors without breaking a sweat. You can easily adjust the handle to multiple positions for optimal ergonomic comfort and control. If you handle heavy-duty fleet maintenance, this beast is an absolute must-have for your shop. The RIDGID KM104 milling machine is your ultimate solution for precise and efficient pipe cutting. Engineered for high-speed operation, it effortlessly tackles tough materials and drastically reduces your project completion time. Its incredibly durable construction ensures it can withstand the harshest job site conditions without skipping a beat. The ergonomic handle design minimizes operator fatigue, allowing for continuous, comfortable use throughout long work shifts. It boasts an intuitive adjustment mechanism, ensuring your cuts are consistently aligned and remarkably accurate. This machine is exceptionally portable, allowing you to bring industrial-grade milling capabilities directly to any location. For professionals demanding top-tier pipe fabrication quality, the KM1004 is completely unmatched in its class. Say goodbye to ruined drywall with the Calculated Industries 8E110 Center. Mark Magnetic Drywall Locator. This ingenious device completely eliminates the frustrating guesswork involved in finding hidden electrical boxes. By utilizing powerful rare earth magnets, it precisely pinpoints the exact center of your receptacle every time. Simply insert the target magnet into the box, hang your drywall, and let the locator guide your cut. It dramatically speeds up the installation process, saving you countless hours on large renovation projects. The tool prevents costly mistakes, ensuring you never have to patch up accidental, misaligned holes again. Whether you are a seasoned electrician or a weekend DIYer, this locator is an absolute game-changer. Illuminate your workspace brilliantly with the Klein tools. Rechargeable slim profile LED pocket flashlight. This incredibly sleek flashlight easily slips into your pocket, ensuring you always have bright light handy. It features a brilliant LED beam alongside a built-in laser pointer for precise on-site targeting. The magnetic base allows for completely hands-free operation when you need to focus on two-handed tasks. A convenient pocket clip keeps it securely fastened to your gear, preventing drops and accidental losses. Recharging is completely hassle-free via a standard USB-C cable, keeping you powered up all day. It is the perfect everyday carry tool for any professional requiring reliable, versatile illumination. The SOLA-METEC seamlessly merges the reliability of a traditional tape measure with modern laser precision. This incredible two-in-one tool allows you to measure short and long distances with unparalleled accuracy. Its integrated digital display instantly provides precise readouts, totally eliminating the need for manual calculations. The robust tape blade is built to last, offering substantial standout for reaching across wide spans. Meanwhile, the built-in laser tackles hard-to-reach long-distance measurements with a simple push of a button. It easily fits into your tool belt, consolidating your gear and streamlining your entire measurement workflow. For anyone in construction or design, the SOLA-METEC represents the absolute future of measuring. Streamline your solar panel installations with the Incredibly efficient Jokari PV Strip Pro Cable Stripper. This specialized tool is meticulously engineered to cleanly strip tough solar cables without damaging inner conductors. It features precision ground blades that effortlessly slice through thick insulation, providing a perfect strip every time. The ergonomic grip ensures your hands remain comfortable, even during repetitive tasks on large solar arrays. An integrated length stop guarantees that every single strip is uniform, maintaining the highest quality standards. It is exceptionally durable, built specifically to withstand the rugged conditions of outdoor solar installation sites. If you work in the renewable energy sector, this stripper is an absolute essential for your toolkit. Experience unprecedented fastening control with the Johnswell 20AV Digital Torque Controlled Impact Wrench. This innovative tool features a cutting-edge digital interface that allows you to set the exact required torque. Its brilliant auto-stop function automatically halts operation the millisecond your target torque is successfully reached. This entirely prevents the disastrous over-tightening and shearing of critical bolts on your most delicate projects. The powerful 20V brushless motor delivers immense fastening force while maintaining exceptional battery efficiency. A brightly illuminated display ensures your torque settings are clearly visible, even in dark engine bays. It brings precision engineering directly to your hands, completely redefining what an impact wrench can achieve. The Greenlee Remote Pruner Kit makes managing overhead branches safer and vastly more efficient than ever. This powerful 120 system allows you to easily slice through thick limbs without ever leaving the ground. It eliminates the constant need for dangerous ladders, significantly reducing the risk of worksite fall injuries. The sharp, high-quality cutting blades deliver clean, precise cuts that promote the long-term health of trees. Its lightweight extension poles provide incredible reach while remaining easy to maneuver and perfectly balanced. The robust battery system ensures you have plenty of cutting power to last through substantial landscaping jobs. For utility workers and professional arborists, this remote pruner is an incredibly valuable, time-saving investment. Flawlessly cut drywall around hidden objects with the brilliant BlindMark XT magnetic drywall locator. Using incredibly powerful magnets, this system finds concealed electrical boxes and plumbing fixtures with pinpoint accuracy. You simply place the magnetic target inside the box, install your drywall, and let the locator work. It completely removes the anxiety of measuring and guessing, saving you from making costly, irreversible mistakes. The tool includes multiple target shapes, accommodating various box sizes and diverse fixture configurations perfectly. Its incredibly durable plastic construction ensures it will survive the inevitable bumps of a busy job site. This simple yet highly effective gadget is guaranteed to drastically improve your drywall finishing speed. Achieve absolutely flawless 90-degree cuts every single time with the highly precise Milescraft 1410 track saw square. This essential accessory quickly attaches to your existing track saw guide rail, instantly transforming its accuracy. It ensures your track remains perfectly perpendicular to the material edge, eliminating frustrating diagonal deviations. The low-profile design prevents any interference with your saw motor, allowing for incredibly smooth, uninterrupted passes. Its exceptionally durable aluminum construction guarantees that the square will remain perfectly true for years. Setup takes mere seconds, locking securely into place with a simple, highly intuitive cam lock mechanism. For professional carpenters and dedicated woodworkers, this square is the absolute key to perfect panel breakdown. Keep your most vital tools securely at your side with the highly innovative Spyder Pro tool tabs. These ingenious adhesive tabs instantly convert almost any hand tool into a perfectly holstered piece of gear. They attach firmly to your tape measures and power drivers, linking seamlessly with the Spyder holster system. This entirely frees up your hands while climbing ladders, significantly boosting your daily worksite safety. The heavy-duty adhesive backing is incredibly resilient, firmly holding your tools even in extreme weather conditions. They allow for lightning-fast drawing and holstering, keeping your workflow incredibly smooth and completely uninterrupted. It is a brilliant, low-profile organization system that totally transforms how you carry your everyday equipment. Blast away stubborn debris instantly with the remarkably powerful Sunjoe Cordless Stormjet Turbo Blower. This lightweight handheld hurricane utilizes a high-speed jet fan to deliver an incredibly concentrated airstream. It is absolutely perfect for quickly clearing sawdust from your workbench or blowing leaves off the patio. The fully cordless design provides ultimate freedom of movement, letting you reach every single dusty corner. Despite its massive output, The compact form factor makes it exceptionally easy to store in tight spaces. A variable speed trigger gives you precise control, letting you gently sweep or aggressively blast as needed. It is the ultimate rapid cleanup tool that every homeowner and active DIY enthusiast desperately needs. Solve your power routing nightmares with the incredibly convenient Link2Home 20F power handle extension cord. This cleverly designed extension cord features a highly ergonomic handle that makes winding a total breeze. It neatly contains the 20-foot cable, completely preventing those infuriating, time-wasting tangled knots in your truck. The integrated power hub provides multiple grounded outlets, letting you plug in several tools simultaneously. Its incredibly robust housing is built to withstand the typical impacts and rough handling of an active workshop. The compact, circular design allows it to store neatly on a shelf or hang flat against a pegboard. It perfectly combines essential power distribution with brilliant cord management in one highly portable package. Take the absolute guesswork out of complex joinery with the highly accurate Sola digital angle finder. This incredibly precise instrument instantly calculates both internal and external angles with exact, pinpoint accuracy. The large, brilliantly illuminated LCD screen provides clear, easily readable measurements even in dimly lit workshops. It features a fantastic hold function, allowing you to lock in a measurement and transfer it directly. The extremely durable aluminum arms are built to withstand heavy daily use while maintaining perfect calibration. A built-in vial perfectly serves as a standard level, adding exceptional versatility to this already vital tool. For crown molding or complex framing, this angle finder is an absolute necessity for total perfection. Slice through tough metal roofing panels like butter with the Malco Tools TSPC1 Turbo Shear Rotary Cutter. This incredible attachment instantly turns your standard cordless drill into a highly aggressive metal cutting machine. It easily navigates complex profiles and deep valleys, providing clean cuts across thick steel panels. The cutting head is fully adjustable, allowing you to approach your cuts from the most comfortable angle. Its incredibly rugged construction ensures it will endure the punishing demands of daily commercial roofing installations. You will save countless hours of manual labor, dramatically increasing your productivity on every single job site. It is the ultimate time-saving secret weapon for professional metal roofers and dedicated exterior contractors. Safely handle massive vehicular components with the incredibly robust ARI Hetra Heavy-Duty TT2000 lift table. Designed specifically for heavy-duty mechanics, this table effortlessly lifts transmissions, engines, and massive battery packs. It boasts an astonishing 2,000-pound weight capacity, providing exceptional stability and total peace of mind. The highly precise hydraulic system allows for incredibly smooth, perfectly controlled lifting and lowering operations. Its heavy-duty casters enable easy, smooth movement across the shop floor, even when fully loaded. You can easily adjust the split-top design to perfectly accommodate a wide variety of irregular components. This lift table is a fundamental safety and efficiency upgrade for any serious commercial truck repair facility. Maximize your solar installation efficiency with the highly specialized SPEEDFRAME ErgoStrip PV stripping tool. This brilliant tool is meticulously designed for the incredibly fast, highly precise stripping of standard solar cables. Its unique, ergonomically curved pistol grip absolutely minimizes wrist strain during long days of repetitive stripping. The perfectly calibrated cutting blades effortlessly slice through tough exterior insulation without nicking the sensitive copper. An integrated length scale guarantees that every single wire you prep is perfectly uniform and ready. It also features a handy, built-in wire cutter, effectively consolidating two critical installation steps into one tool. For anyone regularly working with photovoltaic systems, this SPEEDFRAME stripper is an absolutely undeniable game-changer. Securely grip intricate workpieces with the remarkably versatile Wolfcraft Pro 70 pointed spring clamp. Unlike traditional bulky clamps, this design features extended pointed jaws specifically engineered for incredibly tight spaces. It provides a phenomenal amount of clamping pressure, ensuring your delicate glued joints stay perfectly aligned. The specialized non-marring jaw pads securely hold your material without leaving any damaging dents or scratches. Its highly ergonomic, exceptionally comfortable handle makes it incredibly easy to squeeze open with just one hand. These are absolutely ideal for detailed model making, intricate craft projects, and extremely fine woodworking repairs. Once you use these specialized pointed clamps, you will wonder how you ever manage tight corners. Install custom interior doors flawlessly with the incredibly intuitive Craig KRTH J100 door hinge routing jig. This brilliant template system completely eliminates the stressful, error-prone guesswork of mortising door hinges by hand. It quickly adjusts to perfectly match all standard hinge lengths, ensuring a remarkably tight, professional fit. You simply clamp the jig directly to the door edge and use your standard router to carve a recess. The extremely durable, high-impact plastic construction guarantees it will survive the rigors of numerous demanding projects. It ensures your hinges sit perfectly flush, resulting in doors that swing incredibly smoothly and close perfectly. Whether you are replacing one door or a whole house, this jig guarantees perfect professional results. Pinpoint invisible automotive leaks instantly with the Equalizer ULF481 ultrasonic leak detector system. This highly advanced diagnostic tool identifies high-frequency sound waves generated by air escaping through tiny cracks. It is incredibly effective for finding notoriously elusive wind noises and subtle water leaks around new windshields. You simply place the ultrasonic transmitter inside the sealed vehicle and scan the exterior with the receiver probe. The brilliant LED display and included headphones provide clear, immediate feedback, guiding you straight to the problem. It completely eliminates the messy, highly inaccurate reliance on traditional soapy water tests or frustrating guesswork. For professional auto glass technicians, this powerful detector is an absolutely essential tool for perfect installations. Roof drain repairs used to be an absolute nightmare, but this tool completely changes the game. The Repair Boss Dome is the fastest, most genius retrofit solution you will ever find for your existing systems. Forget tearing out the old drain base. This bad boy cranks securely into openings from 2 to 8 inches. Plumbers and DIYers alike are obsessed because you do not need a single specialized tool for installation. It is forged with UV-stabilized materials to easily shrug off harsh sunlight and extreme weather conditions. Save yourself hours of frustrating labor and keep those commercial roofs locked down tight with this simple upgrade. Get ready to completely rethink how you carry and organize your most crucial everyday gear. ClipTech hubs are a genius mounting system that lets you snap your favorite tool pouches absolutely anywhere. Click them straight onto your work belt, screw them into a workshop wall, or line the back of your van. These mounts feature heavy-duty steel pivot pins that lock even your heaviest loaded pouches securely in place. The integrated screw holes make custom setups an absolute breeze for any serious pro or weekend warrior. Stop wasting time digging through messy bags and keep exactly what you need right at your fingertips. Revolutionize your live event production workflow with the highly innovative and completely unique tweaker. This specialized device acts as an incredibly tactile, highly responsive physical interface for digital software environments. It allows audio engineers and lighting designers to make highly precise, real-time adjustments without staring at screens. The completely customizable rotary knobs and responsive buttons provide immediate, deeply intuitive control over critical parameters. Its highly robust, exceptionally durable build quality ensures it thrives in the demanding atmosphere of live touring. It drastically reduces your screen time, allowing you to completely focus on the stage and the audience. If you are serious about live event execution, the tweaker provides the absolute ultimate in tactile control. That wraps up our look at the most genius new tools for 2026. Which one of these is your favorite? Drop a comment below. Don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to Top Tech Tools for more professional gear reviews and upgrades. Thanks for watching, and keep building.